Merry Christmas, sports card fans and card collectors. Card Attractions back with the brand new video, and we are ripping. It is Christmas Day, so we are going to get into some Topps Holiday mega boxes here. Picked up a grand total of 6. We're going to get into 4 of them today and see if we can get any good stuff. Hopefully you guys all got a chance to get your hands on them. I've been looking for them, finally found some. So I was super excited. One of my favorite rips out of retail. Really like the holiday sets. So hopefully everybody is gonna have a wonderful day today. I said it's Christmas for those who celebrate it. That's really nice. Start us off with a Aaron Judge ornament. It's kind of my own Christmas present for myself this year. I've been waiting to find them, and I was happy when I did. And JD Martinez, Red Sox. $100 cards per box. Giancarlo Stanton. Yankees ornament. It's 2 of them. Aaron Judge and Giancarlo. Okay. Open. The ornament card is really nice. Luis Robert. Okay. Alright. So we ain't gonna waste no time today. It's Christmas. Majority of these I'll probably sleeve up at the end. So I'll see if there's back and pull something. Brandon Nemo, Colton Welker, rookie. Christian Walker, Lewis Gill, rookie. Nice. It's a nice snowflake. Simon Muzzioto, rookie. Gray border. That's kind of cool one. Hang on to that one then. Josh Winder, Jazz Chisholm, Jose Miranda, rookie. Good old Juan Soto, and a Brian La Vista. Lavars Mono, another rookie. I'll hang on to Soto. Go on my PC. Every box does contain 1 relic or auto, so my luck would probably be all relics. Michael Lorenzen, Patrick Wisdom, Logan Gilbert, Cody Bellinger, Tyler O'Neill, Josh Donaldson, Donovan, it's a rookie. Old Pujols. Chase Silseth, rookie. And Max Scherzer. Okay. Alright, we got a Tuve. Got a rookie. Connor Pinkington. Fernando Tatis. And we got a backwards card. Luis Robert. I don't know why that one's backwards, but I'll still hang on to it. Duran. Gary Sanchez, Marte, Hap, TJ Friedel, rookie, and a Josh Bell. Okay. I don't know why that Luis Robert was backwards. That's weird. Cato, rookie. Bryant, Perez, Joe Perez, rookie. Salvador Perez. MJ Melendez, Blake Snell. Felix Bautista, rookie. Manny Machado, Kevin Smith. And there, Ron DeFranco, really nicely centered too. Sweet. I was thinking about buying this on eBay too for like $3, and then I was like, no, I'm gonna rip these 6 boxes. I'll probably find one. Oh, that's a really good copy too. Nice little hole there. Alex Thomas, rookie. Bobby Witt Jr. Let's leave him up. Alright, Stanton, Jaron Duran, rookie. We got a Francisco Lindor. I like these cards. Oh, they didn't change the border last year. And the snowflake cards are cool. Bradish, rookie. Jacob DeGrom, Nick Plummer, and Jeremy Pena, rookie. No Justin Verlander. Alex Fado, rookie. Reese Hoskins. Montero, rookie. Freddie Freeman. Bogarts. I think he just retired or quit playing baseball or something. I heard. Ethan Roberts, rookie. I was like, that's crazy. Randy Arozarena. J.P. Sears. Rookie. And Paul Goldschmidt. There we go. A Zokar rookie. Corey Seager. Who is this? Palante. Do not know who that is. A rookie. Haniger. I had double Mitch Hanigers in a row. On base. On Snowflake. John Duran. There's Acuna. Spencer Torkelson. Another one I'll sleeve up real quick. Strasburg. And then we got last rookie in this pack, Jason Crizon. Simon Mazzotti, maybe. Lindor. Gabriel Reyes, rookie. Mountcastle. Lindor. Oh, wow. Oh, let's just stick the same card in the same pack. Couple. Exact same card. Nothing different. Very interesting. Yeah, we printed so many of them. Wow. Tony Santillan, rookie. Benintendi, DJ LeMahieu, Johnny Cueto, and that's a nice one, O'Neal Cruz. Alright, 2 more packs left for the first box. We still haven't hit a relic or an auto, and it's got to be in one of these packs. Heliot Ramos, rookie. There's Rendon. Rylan Bannon, rookie. Trey Turner. Oh, good old Paul Goldschmidt. Noah Syndergaard, Rizzo. Joey Wentz, rookie. Whit Merrifield. And Joe Doonan. Joe Doonan. Okay, last pack right here. So this does not feel thick, so it must be an auto in this box. Keep our fingers crossed. Or they could have shorted us with that extra Francisco Lindor, so we'll see. We got Matt Olson, Trevor Story. Oh, here it is. It's not even thick. It's Xander Bogaerts too. Den relic. Is not from any specific game, event, or season. Oh yeah, this is one of those. That makes it horrible. Okay. Yu Darvish, Luis Arias, Josh Lowe, Adam Wainwright, and Joey Votto. First box down. Let's keep on pumping. Thinking I might have got lucky, but sorry. Teoscar Hernandez, Christian Yelich, Suzuki, rookie Contreras, oh Vladdy, hang on to that. Friedel again, Josh Bell, Blake Snell, Felix Bautista, and Manny Machado. Matt Olson, Trevor Story, Nemo, Colton Welker. There's Anderson Cervino. Okay. CJ Cron. Those Josiah Gray, Dylan Cease, Matt Manning, another rookie, and Jeff McNeil. Alright, we got Christian Walker, Luis Gill, rookie. Okay. Wander Franco. This relic contained in this card was worn by the featured player. So, there we go. I'll take that one. That's a Wander Franco. So, this is a player worn. Very nice. And brings my spirit up a little better. Oh, looks just like Xander's was. Did. Very interesting. Okay. Decent hit there. Walker Buehler. Pinto, rookie. Bogarts again. Ethan Roberts, rookie. And a Rosarina. Nothing big coming out of this box. Lorenzen, Patrick Wisdom, Gilbert, Bellinger, Nick Plummer. It's funny too because I got a friend named Nick and he's a plumber. J.P. Sears, rookie. Paul Goldschmidt, Joan Duran, rookie. Ronald Acuna, and Spencer Torkelson. Again. Tyler O'Neill, Altuve. There's that Pilkington. Tatis. Cato. Strasburg. Crisson. Santillan. Benintendi, and LeMahieu. DJ LeMahieu. Trying to pump through these things as fast as I can. Chris Bryant, Joe Perez, rookie, Salvador Perez. And then they did it again. They printed off so many, so they just like throw two of them back to back in the same pack. Not even a rookie, just random player base card. We got Lindor and Perez. That's kind of funny. Okay. Ke'Bryan Hayes. Johnny Cueto. There's an O'Neal Cruz, Syndergaard, Rizzo, and Joey Wentz for the rookie. MJ Melendez, that's a rookie. Alec Thomas, rookie. Oh, Bobby Witt Jr. again. I'll sleep him up later. John Carlos Stanton, Jake Walsh, rookie. Oh, I put that in the wrong spot. Whit Merrifield, Joe Dunnan, Yu Darvish, Luis Arias, and Josh Lowe. Wow, Lowe. Jan Duran, rookie. Aaron Nola, Walsh, Muncy, Brandon Crawford. Wainwright, Votto, Josh Winder, rookie. Jazz Chisholm Jr. and Jose Miranda, rookie. Manuel Rivera, rookie. Alek Manoah, Royce Lewis, rookie. Max Fried, Nolan Arenado, Juan Soto, Brian Lavastida. We probably should bomb that. It's a rookie. Josh Donaldson, Brendan Donovan, and Albert Pujols. Alright, last pack for the second mega box. Halfway done. Oh, maybe if I knock everything over. Alright, we got a Bo Brisky, Vladdy Guerrero. We got an Anderson Cervino, rookie. Ke'Bryan Hayes, Teoscar Hernandez, Chase Silseth, Max Scherzer, Gary Sanchez, Starling Marte, and Ian Happ. Alright. 2 more boxes left. Alright, Yordan Alvarez, Reed Detmers, Mookie Betts, Richie Palacios, Luis Robert, Xander Bogaerts, Ethan Roberts, it's a rookie, Randy Rosarina, J.P. Sears, rookie, and Paul Goldschmidt. Nick Lodolo, rookie. Brian De La Cruz. Jack Sawinski, rookie. Corbin Burns. Heloit Ramos. Oh, say that right. Heliot Ramos. I bet that's what it is. Joan Duran. Acuna. Another Spencer Torkelson. Strasburg and Jason Crisson. Same repeat card. Adrian Martinez, rookie. Matt Chapman. Vidal Brujan. Tim Anderson. Fernando Tatis. Tony Santillan. Andrew Benintendi. DJ LeMahieu. Joey Cueto. And another O'Neal Cruz. Kyle Schwarber. Ernie Clement, rookie. Gavin Sheets. Jason Crisson. Syndergaard, Rizzo, Wentz, rookie. Merrifield, and Dunand. I can't believe I ain't pulled no Julio Rodriguez, Eric Hosmer, Matt Verling, and another Wander Funko. Well, I would rather have this knowing that it was player worn rather than have one that's not, so I'm just double it up on that stand. 2 Wanders and counting. Yu Darvish, Luis Arias, Josh Lowe, Wainwright, and Joey Votto. It just shows you how much stuff's overprinted. Logan Webb, Justin Verlander, Alex Fado, Reese Hoskins, Anthony Rendon, Josh Winder, Josh Chisholm, Jose Miranda, Juan Soto, and Brian. We got Montero, rookie. We got Freeman. We got a Jose Azocar. Corey Seager. Andre Palante. Josh Donaldson. Brendan Donovan. Pujols. Chase Silseth. And Max Scherzer. We got Mitch Haniger, Simon Muzziotti, Francisco Lindor. And we got another backwards card, Royce Lewis, rookie. Let's see the backwards cards. Tony Santillan. Gary Sanchez, Starling Marte, Ian Happ, TJ Friedel, and Josh Bell. Gabriel Reyes, Ryan Mountcastle, Elliot Ramos, Rendon, Rylan Bannon, Blake Snell, Felix Batista, Manny Machado, Kevin Smith, and again, Wander Franco. Glad I saved my $3. Guess it just keeps coming. Alright, last pack for this mega, and we'll get into the fourth and final mega of this video. We got Trey Turner, Matt Olson, Trevor Story, Brandon Nemo. We got a Rylan Bannon. Kyle Bradish, rookie, Jacob DeGrom, Nick Plummer, Brandon Crawford, and Jeremy Pena. Alright, last box. Fernando Tatis, Cato, Chris Bryant, Perez, Bryce Harper, Alex Bregman, Bryson Scott, Rafael Devers, some different names. CJ Abrams, there we go. A different pack now. And a good old Aaron Judge. Salvador Perez, MJ Melendez, Alec Thomas, got another Bobby Wood Jr., select him up later, Aaron Judge, Lucas Fox, okay, some different names, Bryce Harper, Yon Makata, Nick Castellanos, and Nick Allen. Okay, maybe we got a different box here. Few different players. It's always nice. It's like the same repeat cards. Alright, we got Giancarlo Stanton. We got a Jake Walsh rookie there. Jaron Duran. Aaron Nola. Willie Adames. Garrett Cole. Cole Sands, rookie. Shane Baz, rookie. Francisco Morales, rookie. And good old Austin Riley. We got Jared Walsh, Max Muncy, and Tim Anderson. This was not worn by the featured player. Oh, it says was worn by the featured player. Okay. That's so weird. This one wasn't any Pacific game or event. So since it was player worn, we'll get a sleeve. I figured I wouldn't get no autos. Just my luck. Jonathan India, Dansby Swanson, Seth Beer, and Taylor Ward. I'm sorry. Manuel Rivera, Alec Manoa, Royce Lewis. This Alex Bregman, number 33 out of 99. That's a nice one. Next one is Yon Makata. And we got Cal Relay, Tyler Anderson, Yadier Molina, Luke Williams, and Bo Bichette. We got Max Fried, Nolan Arenado, Bo Brisky, Vladdy Guerrero Jr., Anderson Cervino, William Woods, Cedric Mullins, Cooper Hummel, Jose Ramirez, and a Bryce Elder. I would like to have been able to pull at least a few other cards that I'm not seeing on here, but Ke'Bryan Hayes, Teoscar Hernandez, Christian Yelich, Alec Thomas, Andrew McCutchen, good old Mike Trout. There he goes, Julio Rodriguez. At least wanted to get one of his base. Very nice, well-centered too. Couldn't pull an autograph of him, but there we go. Sean Murphy, Hunter Green, and Shohei Ohtani. So not bad. I was just talking about that. So that worked out. At least got one. So that one is graded. Suzuki, Contreras, Quan, Eloy Jimenez, Mackenzie Gore, Ron. I don't even want to say his name. I don't want to mess it up. Marin Cicio. Okay, Contreras. Let's see. Another one, JJ Matovic. I don't know. Clayton Kershaw and Ryan. Pep White. Not too familiar with some of these newer guys. Javi Baez, Willie Adames, Andrew McCutchen, Joe Musgrove. There's Nick Castellanos. I'm liking the fact that I didn't think I'd get any duplicates of these, so that's nice. Yuli Guerrero, Nestor Cortez, Joe Ryan, CJ Cron, and Josiah Gray. Nice. Alright. Last pack, 2022 Topps Holiday. 4 mega boxes. We got a few decent cards. We got Brandon Marsh, George Springer, Miguel Cabrera, Diego Castillo, rookie, Byron Buxton, Dylan Cease, Matt Manning, Jeff McNeil, Walker Buehler, and Pinto to finish us off. So, not too bad. A small minor recap. We've got, as you see, a couple duplicates. Bobby Witt Jr. rookie, Wander rookie, Spencer Torgerson, Brian Dela Cruz, another Bobby Witt Jr., O'Neal Cruz, another Spencer, another O'Neal, another Spencer, another Bobby Witt, and another Wander. So, them are the decent rookies that came out of there. Two nicely centered Wanders. Xander Bogaerts, just maybe a piece of sock or something, because it's not part of his jersey. I don't know. Maybe it was left over from another player. They just made that, but I got that one. I got the Tim Anderson. It is player worn, so that's nice. Pulled 2 Wander Francos, both player worn. Super nice as well. Alex Bregman out of 99. It's a pretty cool card. I just wish it was a different player. But 33 out of 99. It's a super nice card. And then last but not least, I did get at least one Julio Rodriguez. That's always exciting. So I do appreciate you guys watching the video. It is Christmas time. I hope you guys all have a wonderful and Merry Christmas. Stay tuned, and I'll always be back ripping. Thanks, and have a great day.